Hi Dairy Road friends, it's Miss Melissa and Hayden. This week's theme is Wild West Week, and we have a really yummy snack that we want to share with you today. It's called Cowboy Ranch Mix. So what you're going to need is a bag of Bugles. You'll need 3 cups of Bugles. You'll need a cup of the Club Mini crackers. You're going to need a cup of baby goldfish. A cup of pretzel twists, or just the mini pretzels. A cup of cocktail peanuts. You'll need 1 pack of the ranch dressing season mix. And you're also going to need 6 tablespoons of butter. We went ahead and melted ours. You're going to need to melt it. What you'll also need is a microwavable safe bowl, because we're going to be mixing everything in here. You're also going to need a soft spatula to mix everything in, okay? All right, let's get started. So first you're going to need the 3 cups of Bugles, okay? 3 cups of Bugles. You want to pour it in, Hayden? Here we go. Okay, and then we need the cup of the Club Mini crackers. We're going to pour everything in the big bowl together. Then we need a cup of pretzels. Let's throw that in. Good job. We're also going to need the cup of mini goldfish, the baby goldfish. In they go. And also we'll need the cup of peanuts, the cocktail peanuts. Good job. And we're going to mix it all up together. Hayden, would you like to mix it all? Mm-hmm. This is the fun part. Oh, careful. Whoa. Good job. All right. So if you want, while you're mixing, have Mom and Dad melt your 6 tablespoons of butter. So we're going to set that to the side. And we're going to take our ranch seasoning packet and we're going to dump the whole packet in there, and then we're going to mix it all up together, okay? Would you like to mix this one? Mm-hmm. All right. Hold it there. Careful. It's a little warm. Mix it real good so all that stuff isn't lumpy. And what we're going to do once we're done mixing the ranch seasoning packet with the butter, we're going to drizzle it all over our mixture in there of crackers and everything, okay? Good job. Good mixer. That's it. Ooh, look at them skills. Mixing is a lot of fun. Alrighty. Let me give it one more good whip. All the stuff at the bottom, I can feel it's going to sink. Alright, so, oops, sorry. Alright, you want to pour it all over there? Okay, so now you're going to take your bowl and drizzle that butter over everything. There we go. Good job. Okay. And use your little, you want to get a soft spatula. There we go. Have Mom and Dad do that in case if it's a little warm. And then we're going to mix it. Go ahead. And that's it. Go from the bottom. That's it. Because all the dressing butter mixture's at the bottom, and we want to carefully flip it. Make sure not to do it too hard. You don't want to flip your ingredients out. And then once this is all done, Mom, Dad, you're going to pop it in the microwave for a minute, take it out, and then you're going to mix it. You're going to put it in for a total of 3 minutes, but after each minute, you want to stir it. Once the 3 minutes is up, give it one more stir, and then you're going to lay it on you can lay it on paper towels. I took a cookie sheet and put parchment paper and then lined it with paper towels for easier cleanup. And then you're just going to let it air dry. Once it's done, you can put it in an airtight container or a gallon Ziploc bag and enjoy. All right, friends, it was so much fun cooking with you today. I hope you really enjoy our project here. Have fun and enjoy eating it. We'll see you soon. Bye.